use if statements in Swift. If statement provide us with really easy ways to check whether a condition is true or not and how to do things when something is true or not. So for instance, we have say var num equals to 50. So we can check that if num is greater than 10, print num is greater than 10. And else statements mean that if it isn't true, then head this to this. Num is less or equal to 10. So if we now run it, we can easily see that the output is num is greater than 10. Num is greater than 10 here. So we can even combine these. So if we have we can combine these using this or this. If these are there, that means that if that we have another condition, num is greater than 50. Let's say 30. So this means that for this whole expression to be true, this and this has to be true. So I mean, this is pretty obvious that num is greater than 30 directly implies num is greater than 10. But we can just say num modulo 10 equals to 0. This means that num when divided by 10 leaves a remainder of 0. You notice that we have two equal to signs there. They are just used for Boolean comparisons. So if this is true and this is true, then we have this. Num is greater than 10 and is a multiple of 10. We can even have else if statement. So if this is not true, if this upper statement is not true, then we can check if this statement, else if num is greater than num modulo 10 equals to 1. So if this is not true, then it heads back to this condition. If this condition is true, it goes inside this, leaves the remainder 10, leaves the remainder 10, num leaves the remainder 10. And else statement if there's nothing, what a number, like that. So if I run it now, so it's gonna be 50, so it should head back to there, and yep. So if I change it to 51, then this condition won't be true because they both have to be true. So I get if the remainder 10, if the remainder 1 actually, and if it is 52, then this isn't true either. So we should print for a number. Yeah. Yeah. So if I change it to this means that this whole expression is true when either of these integers are true. If both are true, then also it is true. So basically, we just need at least one true in it. So we can change it like, so we run it now. So the should be num is greater than 10 and is a multiple of 10. It's wrong actually. It should be or is a multiple of 10. So yeah, so we should see the output now, or is a multiple of 10. So basically, if statements are used for having conditions, so even we can have like boolean var, which is a boolean num is greater than 10. So we can have it like num is greater than 10 if this is true, if this boolean is true, then see print num is greater than 10. Else print nope. So if we now run it, so we should see num is greater than 10 because it is greater than 10. Change it to 52, then this should be false because it is not greater than 52. It is equal to 52. So it should be like nope. Yeah. So we'll be discussing about more of these conditional operators later in the later videos. They're like this and this and this, and functions like this. So we can have like if num isn't equal to 10, print num is not equal to 10. Um, and num is 10. So it can be like we have to run it and oops, sorry, I have it like this, have some spaces in it. We'll be learning more about conditionals later. So yeah, num is not equal to 10. We get it? There are more. There's more to if operations than it may seem. This can be a lot more complicated and stuff. And we're only discussing the tip of the iceberg here. I mean, we have discussed this. This means not equal to, and or operations and negations, etc. So yeah, we'll be learning more about this in the later videos. So for instance, if I put this here, just if it is true, it is false, and if it is false, it is true. So it should be no. Num is greater than 10. I mean, because it is now false, it makes it true. So num is greater than 10. So yeah, thank you for watching. Catch you guys later. Bye.